to give us a little surprise that will change somebody's life. May we call on Dr. Jonathan Apiera, representing NAFDA.
Good evening. We're very so happy to be here with you to share this momentous moment. And we're just really having a fun time here. And every year we give out a scholarship for a student. And I'd like to have Dr. Neves please give us the criteria for this special candidate that will receive tuition money.
Good evening, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Victor Neves from San Jose, California, and current scholarship chairman of the National Association of Filipino Dentists in America, in short, NAFDA. After our region screening last Tuesday, April 29, 2008, at Heritage Hotel, we have selected Mrs. Aster Omega Leonarda, an incoming sophomore of Iloilo Doctors College in Iloilo City. It was a difficult decision for the panel because all the applicants belong to the cream of their class. Our decisions were based from the following criteria. 40% of it is from the joint income tax return of Mrs. Leonarda's parents. 25% from the GPA from freshman, and from our examination and interview is about 30%, and a class factor which involves leadership and community involvement. May I request the Assistant Dean of Iloilo Doctors College, Dr. Romeo Magallanes, to please come forward and help us receive it.
Congratulations. And we will announce the total amount that she will be receiving in a 3-year term.
For the last 3 years in college, our organization is giving about $216,000 to $225,000 for the tuition fee, depending on the exchange of dollar. On behalf of NAFDA, I would like to extend our gratitude to PDA, its officers, especially to Dr. PDA, Dr. Blanes and Dr. De Castro, and for their hospitality and warm welcome to the NAFDA delegates. Thank you.
Okay, going back.